Alright, today we're going to take a quick look at this lint roller. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's talk about what comes in the box, and then I'll show you some videos of me using it. So first of all, you do get the big lint roller piece here. So this is one piece, then you have three pieces that make the handle. These push together, screw together, and then you're good to go, and then you put the end on it here as well. So once you have it together once, you don't have to take it apart again. Now this is pretty neat because this does pop out, and so you can replace the lint roller with just the cap. So the cap got away from me, but all you do is put the cap on there on each side and then just push it right back into place. Just as simple as that, and you're ready to go. Then you can roll it anywhere you want to. So I'll show you some videos of me actually rolling it, but just to show you how sticky that is right there, just from my carpet with like 2 or 3 rolls here in the studio. And the cool part is it's just like a giant lint roller. So then you just pull this sheet off and you're good to go, and you got a fresh sheet. So that's kind of how it works. Now here's what else comes in the box. You do get 360 sheets total, so it is 4 rolls total. You also get this cover here, so this is a dust cover, so you can just quickly, when you're not using it, put that on there so you're not going to get any dust on it. And then go back to here, this is a wall mount that this will just click into. So it does come with this sticky pad. You put this onto the wall, and then you just lock it into place right there. So you can see that little groove, a little tongue and groove action that just locks in, and then you can just click it into place just like that. So once you're ready to do that, and then if you want to just lean it up against it, it also has kind of like this little whale tail looking piece that you could probably just lean it up against there if you're not using it, or if you had something else near it. So let's take a look at this thing in action. I've been using this on my bed, on my floor, on my couch. We have dogs, so this top left corner is of the bed, so I got some dog hair off the bed that way. The next up top is the floor, so I'm just rolling the floor. And then the bottom is actually my couch. Now, our dogs don't get on our couch, but my son eats a bunch of snacks on the couch. I was able to pull those off. So you can see all that lint. I mean, this is basically just like a very large lint roller. Great for pets, great for the car, great for the sofas, furniture. I've used this yesterday on everything I could think of, and I was like really impressed. And it's one of those products that I was like, who needs a giant lint roller? And then after I use it, I'm like, I will always have a giant lint roller. Hope this video helps.